Good evening. I am Anil Agarwal, former Chief Manager, Punjab National Bank. So, on your demand, I created one Telegram group for group discussion on daily basis. This group discussion is being carried out between 9 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. Some suggestions are also coming how we can improve the performance of this group. All these suggestions are being noted and we will be implementing it in phased manner. I also observe some people have created the fake groups also in my name. So it is essential you should become part of genuine Telegram group. The genuine Telegram group is where spelling of Anil Agarwal is spelled like this: ANILAGGARWAL. In fake group, they have changed the spelling of Agarwal. In some of the groups, they have used the spelling AGARWAL. Second test is the genuine group is now having 16,200 members. That means if group is having more than 16,000 members, you are in right group. If it is having 1,500 or so or 800 or so members, that means you are part of a fake group. Leave that group immediately because you may be in for trouble. They may be misusing your details. So immediately leave that group. That is my advice to you. Now, in this discussion, I am giving you one topic daily and you are participating in that. And I am happy. Day by day, your writing skills are improving. Your thought process is improving. And points which you are mentioning are now very, very close to success. Still, lot of improvement is to be done. So initially, I am focusing that you are able to build the wordings. You are able to build your writing skills. You are able to build your speaking skills. You are able to build your thought process. So we are not in the beginning engaging you in the cross discussions. I will devise a methodology where we can engage you in the cross discussion also at the subsequent stage. Second idea is coming that some days must be dedicated to essay writing. So I am thinking that out of 7 days a week, 2 to 3 days we should dedicate to essay writing during these hours and rest of the days for group discussion. So same group we can use for both purposes because we have adequate time. So for essay writing also and as well as for group discussion also we can use the group. If you agree with this my suggestion, kindly give your consent in the comment column so that I get the feedback. If you are interested, write yes, we can have 3 days discussion, 3 days for essay writing or so on, whatever you feel. 2 days a week, 1 day a week, 3 days a week, whatever are your feelings. Because I don't want to spend more than 45 minutes for both the things because written exams are on your head. So these are main examination preparation. So I want that only we should continue with this exercise, but our time spending should be less. So today topic is importance of agriculture loan. Importance of agriculture loan. This is our topic. You can participate at 9 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. If you have not become member of this group, participate today. I have given the link of this group in description box as well as comment box. God bless you all. अब यही बातें हम हिंदी में करेंगे. आपकी डिमांड पे मैंने एक ग्रुप डिस्कशन का ग्रुप बनाया है टेलीग्राम पे. मुझे खुशी है, बहुत सक्सेसफुल हुआ है ये ग्रुप और 16,000 से अधिक मेंबर हैं इस समय, 16,200. अब कुछ लोगों ने फर्जी टेलीग्राम ग्रुप बना लिए मेरे नाम से. अब उससे कई पार्टिसिपेंट भटक गए हैं, वहां ज्वाइन कर लिया और वहां कुछ हो नहीं रहा. तो आपको सबसे पहले ये चेक करना है जेन्युइन ग्रुप कौन सा है। जेन्युइन ग्रुप में स्पेलिंग है अनिल अग्रवाल SBI ग्रुप डिस्कशन, और अनिल अग्रवाल की स्पेलिंग है ANILAGGARWAL. In Agarwal there is a double G. In fake groups they have used Agarwal as single G, AGARWAL. So by chance if you have landed in a wrong group, kindly quit the group immediately, because you may be in trouble, because some of the candidates reported me that they are using foul language also. So come out of that group and remain in a group that is a genuine group, so that your time is properly utilized. Now some suggestion is also coming, sir, use this group for essay writing also. And I am thinking that out of 7 days, 3 days we can spend on essay writing, 4 days a week on group discussion, so that we are not spending more time on this aspect. Within 45 minutes per day, we are able to cover both the things. If you agree with this suggestion, in comment column you should give your views, consent. Sir, essay writing should be done for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days a week, whatever is your view. And if you are not in favor of this, still you write, I am not in favor of this, so that I know the majority feeling, and accordingly we will decide. Now I am observing that your participation level is very good, your thought process is very good, your writing power is very good, and it is gradually improving. So we will be converting this into a real discussion group. I am thinking of modalities, how we can do it. So we will do that, but right now our aim is to build your personality. So today's topic is, आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर लोन। एग्रीकल्चर लोन जो है उसकी क्या महत्ता है, ये आज का हमारा टॉपिक है। इसके ऊपर आप अपने विचार रखिए, और जो हम ये सोच रहे हैं कि ऐसे राइटिंग करें और इसके अंदर ग्रुप डिस्कशन करें, अगर आप समझते हैं कि ये महत्वपूर्ण है तो आप अपनी कंसेंट कमेंट कॉलम में दीजिए। तो अभी आप देख रहे हैं कि जो ग्रुप डिस्कशन है हमारा सही डायरेक्शन में चल रहा है। धीरे धीरे आप इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं, आपकी राइटिंग स्किल इम्प्रूव हो रही है, आपकी थिंकिंग इम्प्रूव हो रही है, और ये सब चीज़ें एक अच्छी दिशा में चल रही हैं। तो जो लोग गलती से गलत ग्रुप का मेंबर बन गए हैं वहाँ से क्विट कर लें, इसके अंदर आ जाएं। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम ऐसे राइटिंग भी 3 दिन लें, 2 दिन लें, हफ्ते के अंदर, इस पर भी आप अपनी कंसर्न कमेंट कॉलम में दें। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल।